So in the box we get some instruction manuals, a little bit of a hose pipe to connect to the water gun, and some accessories that I'll explain later. A microfiber cloth, snow foam nozzle, microfiber wash mittens, a charger for the battery, a water filter for the end of the hose, attachments for the pressure of the water. This is the attachment for the hose to the gun. This is how the bike is looking right now. So the first thing to check is these two attachments. See what kind of pressure they give. So here's the red one. See what it does. Can't really see it from the camera, I don't think. It does work. It doesn't work too good, but then I do have a Poundland snow foam mixture and a 30-pound pressure washer, so they do play a game in it. Maybe I'll add a little bit more snow foam, see how it goes. So the snow foam's not as thick as I would have liked it, but I do think if I was to buy a better snow foam product, it would work better than it is. So far this Amazon Jet Wash hasn't been such a bad purchase. It's not the best foam, but it's still doing what it's meant to.